Are you thinking of making some additional money, looking for a career, or wanting to start something new as the new year begins? Here are some great resolutions to include in your New Year's resolutions that will help you increase your income. Earning extra money without putting in a lot of effort or time is known as passive income. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, contrary to popular belief. Some of these projects don't necessitate a lot of effort. You can do things in the same way as others. It necessitates expertise, a little amount of effort, and a financial expenditure. This form of revenue is derived from the management of your assets. Continue watching to learn more about passive income investment in 2022. 1. Create and teach online courses. If you have any knowledge or skill, you can start a class session in which you can teach your students. For example, if you are a gymnast, a fitness trainer, a chef, or a footballer. You can record videos of yourself doing the exercises and send them to various online sites where the more people subscribe and watch the videos, the more money you earn. The main difficulty will be marketing and enrollment. Nonetheless, once you've gotten folks to appreciate and view your material, everything goes easily. All it takes is a little patience, some high-quality films, and some time. This type of work can be done in your spare time and will not interfere with your other responsibilities. According to Good Housekeeping, these jobs don't demand a lot of resources and can be done from the comfort of one's own home. You can learn how to do this online and practice it if you're a newbie. 2. Invest in the stock market. One of the places where you can make money is on the stock exchange market. To profit from the market, you must have a thorough understanding of it. Patience is one of the virtues required in this situation. You must keep track of the market's growth and decline. You'll need to know where to predict the market's rise or fall, and if you've mastered that, you'll be able to make a lot of money. Various websites provide information on how to begin investing in the stock market. It may appear difficult at first, but once you understand the hazards involved, it becomes much simpler. 3. Using a blog. Having a blog is one of the methods to generate money in your spare time or from the comfort of your own home. Many of the most successful bloggers are those that write about their passions. Putting information on your blog for others to see, discovering what other people enjoy, and discussing it. If you enjoy traveling, you can blog about your experiences and earn money by selling the destinations you visit. All you have to do now is buy a domain name and you're ready to go. 4. Create your own YouTube channel. One of the online platforms where people can make fast money is through a YouTube channel. Discover what people enjoy and build content around that. Create an audience, and if people enjoy your content, the more views you have, the more money you make. YouTube compensates you based on the amount of views your videos receive. Many people have become quite wealthy by just uploading hilarious or instructional videos to YouTube. Don't just be a spectator. Start your own channel today and start posting goods. This way, you'll gradually grow, earn, and learn. 5. Storage areas. If you have unused space in your home or garage, you have a chance to make money without having to work. Many business owners are looking for storage facilities close to their places of business. If you can locate one or more of them, you may offer them a storage facility at a lesser fee, which is often acceptable. This will ensure that you have a steady monthly income without having to work hard. 6. Get a room to rent. If you have spare space in your home or an empty room that you no longer use, why not turn it into money by renting it out? Many people are looking for inexpensive and unique lodging options. You will be guaranteed a monthly income if you take advantage of this chance and rent out the area. However, teach the new roommate these ground rules. This will make your job easier and ensure that you remember to take crucial information and paperwork for your own protection. 7. Advertising and promotion. Many businesses are having trouble marketing their products and services, and now that everything is done online, anyone wanting to spend some time marketing products can get this opportunity. The procedure is basic and straightforward. Find a firm that is looking for people to sell their products, apply for the job, discuss their products or services on various websites, and you will be paid if people buy through your link or referral. These occupations merely require you to be active on websites and grasp the types of high demand and high quality items and services. To invest in this venture, you will not need any prior education or experience, which is ideal for anyone wishing to supplement their income. 8. Make a real estate investment. This is an investment that you should never waste your money on. Investing in real estate is a terrific way to start a business. Every day, people are buying and selling homes. The need for houses has never dwindled, and keep in mind that, depending on the location, properties appreciate in value from time to time. Real estate has opened many doors to various investment opportunities. To be in the company, you don't have to buy a house. You can be a crowdfund real estate investor by investing a little amount of money and earning money by receiving your shares if a house is sold or rent is paid. 9. Work as a transcriptionist. As a transcriber, you will be responsible for turning audio files into text. Many businesses provide transcription services and are looking for new employees. The transcription task is quick and pays according to the length of the audio or per minute spent. You must first create an account and begin working. The work required that one be a good listener and follow the company's directions. This is one of the simplest ways to supplement your income because you can devote 2 to 3 hours per day to it. 10. Produce a podcast. One of the many fantastic methods to make passive money is to start a podcast. You may have come across this name on the internet in some form or another. For folks who don't want to read, it provides audio-focused information. One of the most popular internet channels for earning a passive income from the comfort of your own home is the podcast. If you have a nice and charming voice, you can create an amusing, instructive, and instructional blog. You can get hired to create advertisements. And it only means you'll have more money in your pocket. Bonus tip. Make and sell your own products. Homemade products are in high demand in a variety of ways. Many people are selling more and more items online, which saves them money on renting a store and paying for annual business permits. The internet has evolved into a miniature village where you can find anything you need with only a few mouse clicks. You can conduct deliveries, sell or prepare wonderful meals, and make some nice DIY products. This may necessitate some of your time. You may promote your products on sites like eBay, Amazon, and Alibaba, among others. This manner, you'll have your own store where you may promote your goods.